Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something. Life is not meant to be walked alone. We were created to connect, to bond, and to share our highs and lows with others. But here's the truth. Sometimes we find ourselves in a place where we feel isolated, like the world has turned its back on us. That place is lonely, cold, and dark, and it can make a man question his worth. And now I know that not having friends can feel like carrying a heavy burden, but let me remind you, this doesn't have to be the end of your story. See, being friendless isn't a punishment. It's an opportunity. It's an opportunity to take a good long look at yourself and ask, what kind of energy am I putting out into the world? Am I being the kind of person I'd want to be friends with? Loneliness often stems from a lack of meaningful connections, and while it may seem like a curse, it is in reality a wake-up call. Life thrives on relationships, and our ability to connect with others defines much of our experience. However, building friendships requires effort, intentionality, and vulnerability. It's not just about having people around. It's about cultivating bonds that go deeper than surface-level exchanges. When someone finds themselves without friends, it's important to recognize that meaningful relationships don't just happen. They are created through shared moments, trust, and understanding. And you can't do business with people who you can't trust. And what you do to someone else may be done to you. Many times, people are held back by fear. Fear of rejection, fear of opening up, or fear of being misunderstood. This fear becomes a barrier that keeps others at a distance, creating a cycle of isolation. To break free from this, one must first examine their own actions and mindset. Are you open to connection? Are you willing to take the first step toward others, even if it feels uncomfortable at first? These questions are essential because friendships are a two-way street. You have to give as much as you hope to receive. Effort also means showing up for others. It means being there in times of need, offering a listening ear, or celebrating their wins. Friendships grow in the moments when we choose to be present, even when it's inconvenient. Genuine connections are built through consistency and care. It may not happen overnight, but over time, these efforts lead to deeper relationships. Loneliness is not permanent, nor is it an inevitable condition. It's a signal that pushes us toward change. By stepping out of your comfort zone and making an active effort to connect with others, you can transform a life of isolation into one filled with meaningful relationships. The journey begins with you. Surrounding yourself with the right people can be one of the most transformative decisions in life. The relationships you nurture have a profound impact on your personal growth, mindset, and overall happiness. Friends aren't just companions. They can be mirrors that reflect your potential, motivators that push you to achieve more, and anchors that keep you grounded in tough times. However, finding the right people is not always easy, and it requires discernment and effort. It's not about the number of friends, but the quality of those relationships. True friends are those who uplift, inspire, and support you unconditionally. The right people in your life challenge you to grow. They are the ones who will hold you accountable, encouraging you to pursue your goals and become the best version of yourself. They don't hesitate to give constructive feedback, even when it's difficult, because they genuinely care about your success. At the same time,
they celebrate your victories as if they were their own. Their presence in your life creates an environment of positivity, trust, and mutual respect. On the other hand, surrounding yourself with the wrong people can be draining and counterproductive. Negative influences can hold you back, instill doubt, or encourage toxic behaviors. This is why it's crucial to evaluate the relationships you have and be intentional about the ones you cultivate. Look for people who align with your values and who bring out the best in you. Be willing to let go of relationships that no longer serve your growth or well-being. Your circle of friends can determine the direction of your life. Choose wisely and prioritize quality over quantity. When you surround yourself with people who uplift you, their influence becomes a powerful force that propels you toward a fulfilling and successful life. A man with no friends still has the power to change his circumstances. Being alone may feel overwhelming, but it is not a permanent condition. It is a challenge and an opportunity for growth. Self-awareness is the first step toward transformation. Understanding why you are in this situation and reflecting on your actions, behaviors, and mindset can open the door to change. Are you approachable? Do you make an effort to engage with others? Are you creating barriers through fear, mistrust, or past experiences? These questions might be difficult to face, but they hold the key to creating meaningful connections. Action is just as important as awareness. Change requires stepping out of your comfort zone. If you want friends, you have to take the initiative. Start small. Say hello to a neighbor. Strike up a conversation with a coworker, or join a group or club where you can meet people with shared interests. It's not about grand gestures, but about consistent, genuine efforts to connect with others. Vulnerability is also a crucial element of building friendships. Being open about who you are, your thoughts, and your feelings allows others to see the real you, creating a foundation for trust and understanding. It's important to recognize that forming meaningful friendships takes time and effort. Patience is key as relationships grow through shared experiences and mutual care. But as you work toward building connections, you also need to nurture the relationship you have with yourself. Self-confidence and self-worth radiate outward, drawing people towards you. When you believe in your value, others will too. Even if you feel alone today, remember that change begins with you. By becoming proactive, open, and intentional, you can transform your life from isolation to one filled with genuine and fulfilling relationships. The power to change your circumstances lies within you.